Hi, I'm Courtney McQuade with Markets Group here at our 10th anniversary ALTSLA event. With me is Shannon Saccocia, Chief Investment Officer of Wealth at Neuberger Berman. Shannon, it's great to see you.
It's always great to see you, Courtney.
So tell me, what is at the top of your research list right now?
Well, right now we see still a lot of opportunities in private markets, specifically in areas of private equity. We're coming off of 2 really strong years in the public equity market, which is generally historically a nice time to be allocating in the private equity space. And so really excited whether it's in primaries or secondaries or some of those capital solutions like mezzanine, some of that complexity really makes sense in this environment.
Interesting, interesting. And I know the Fed's making big announcements right now. You were telling me you were just listening and making your notes. Any thoughts there?
Well, it's really interesting. I think most folks thought that the Fed would perhaps bring down their growth expectations a little bit and their inflation expectations up a little bit based on the tariffs, and we did see that. So right now, a bit of a muted market reaction, but we would anticipate that over the next couple of weeks, we'll continue to see some volatility as we try to digest what's coming out of Washington.
Fantastic. And you're just about to get on stage here for our closing keynote panel session talking about alternatives, specifically in the private wealth space. Can you give us a little sneak peek as to what you're going to talk about there?
Yeah, there's so many opportunities now for private wealth investors to become engaged in private markets. And I think what we're really looking at is trying to assess, and I think this is important for advisors, assessing why they're incorporating private markets into their portfolios. Thinking about things along a continuum, so private equity and public equity, private fixed income, public fixed income, thinking about it rather than an alternatives allocation, but really a holistic approach to incorporating all of what's available in the investable universe.
Fantastic. Well, Shannon, as always, it's great to speak to you. Thanks so much.
Thanks for having me.
And we're live at ALTSLA.